So, a little bit of breaking news from Dodge. According to Allpar, Dodge is going to be scrapping the Pentastar 3.6. Do we believe it? Nah. So, let's read the article out loud. The article today stated, Fiat Chrysler planning inline 6 replacement for the Pentastar engine family. Okay. The Pentastar line encompasses a set of blah, 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 blah. According to Allpar, FCA initially wanted to modernize the engine with forced induction. Ta-da! Did that. Variants, but this was scrapped, instead focusing on a line of straight 6s. Now, let's just talk about that for a moment. Right now, I've got a V6 in the car. For those of you who don't really connect dots, V, okay? Pistons here, V6, 3 cylinders on each side. Now, take, for instance, the size of the 6.4. It's a decently large motor, right? But it's only got 4 pistons on each side. So what they're saying is they're going to do an inline 6, where it's pistons in front of pistons. For 6, it's going to be a very long engine, unless it's very small displacement, which is possible. But if you're going to do forced induction, which, let's be serious, most manufacturers go for turbo kits. I get it. It's cool, whatever. Don't want to have to worry about the extra BS of a belt. It's way less maintenance for those of you who aren't catching on. It's going to be a long motor, unless, like I said, they go lower displacement, and it's going to elongate the front of the vehicle, or it's going to push the dash back, which, let's be serious, just isn't practical for something in Dodge's current production line. Do I think they're going to get rid of the 3.6 Pentastar? Absolutely not. It is a reliable motor. A lot of us now are learning how to actually pull performance and a little bit of power out of it. But let's just go on and see what else they said. So, the new engine range is believed to be eternally named the Tornado. Here is where that's a problem and why I'm calling BS on this article already. 1991, Chevy had a Cyclone. A Cyclone. It was a V6, or it was a 6. I don't know if it was an inline 6 or a V6, turbocharged. So you're telling me you're going to wait, what, say, God, 27 years to name an engine pretty much the same name as its predecessor from another company? That's not something Dodge would do. So that's another reason why I'm calling BS. Displacements are said to come in at just under 3 liters to undercut engine taxes in certain European markets. How many Mopars do you actually see in Europe? Don't worry, I'll wait. And the unit's design is reported to emphasize tight packaging, counterbalancing the engine's format weakness. Length. Iron cylinder sleeves are used to reduce cylinder wear, will reportedly be foregone for this engine line. So they're not going to use the... I don't get it. So you're going to do forced induction, but you're going to make it a weaker motor. Okay. Based on the comparable nomenclature attached to the Hurricane, a 2.0 liter turbo 4, as well as FCA's reported need for a forced induction 6-cylinder engine, we believe the Tornado will be turbocharged. Called that. Manufacturing of the Tornado inline 6 will probably be handled by FCA's Dundee and Trenton, Michigan plants, where equipment may not even need to be changed to accommodate the production of the new engine. It would have to be changed. It's a completely different configuration. You're going to have to move things. Like, there's so many holes in this article, it's ridiculous. Even more so often than the bulkier turbo. They plan on transversing the 6-cylinder engines, which are almost always V6s, not inline 6, which tends to be mounted longitudinally. I don't know if I said that right. Don't really care. If equipped with a midsize hybrid system like that of the new Mercedes BM, it would be economical as well as punchy. Or you could develop the engine you already have. But once again, this was published by The Drive on behalf of Allpar. The Drive reached out for FCA for comment on the claims of this new engine and will update when they receive a response, which means FCA went, dude, you're full of shit. Like, we're not coming up with a new motor. Like, the Pentastar isn't everything. Minivans, Cherokees, Challengers, Chargers, I mean, name it. It's in it. Why? And it's reliable. So why would Dodge go, yo, let's mess up our bread and butter? Let's take everything we've ever done for rental car services and destroy that right now. Do a brand new platform that no one's ever used that we're going to have all kinds of issues with. They're not. Dodge is smarter than that. So we can go ahead and nip this one in the bud right now. I don't believe it. It ain't true. If it is true, it's a horrible idea. Especially if you're going from a 3.6 to a 3 liter and then throwing a turbo on it. You're still not even going to make RT power. What's the point? What's the point? Because you know the turbo is going to be this big. So there's my 2 cents on it. Take it how you will. Leave your comments below. We are getting closer to the 5K giveaway of the Downforce Solutions Wicker Bill. In order to win that, what you need to do is you need to share this video or any of my videos, screenshot it, and send it to me on Instagram. DM me at 86face. That's how you get involved. I will be announcing that the night of the 5K. Until then, enjoy your 6s, enjoy your Hemis, stay savage.
Stay in the life of me.